Now today one of the most interesting topic that how can we tell that if a rational number is terminating or non-terminating without actual division. Without actual division means we already know about the terminating and non-terminating decimals, and we have to explain by the long division method. But here this topic is that without actual division, it means without actual calculating, how can you tell that if a rational number is terminating and non-terminating decimals? You know that the rational number as a decimal expenses can be classified into two forms: terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals. Both decimals are called rational number. And you also know that rational number can be written in the form of P upon Q, where Q not equal to 0. But without actual calculation, how can you tell? So look at this chart. Now this chart is, first of all, rational number, you know that terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals. Okay, so look at the chart in your board. That is a number. The number is given that 5 upon 2 as a fraction form: 17 upon 5, 8 upon 15, 9 upon 20, 17 upon 24 and 11 upon 21. Okay. Now, and the second column is decimal. It means you have to convert these fractions into decimals. Now we get 2.5. 17 upon 5 can solve. Then we get 3.4, and this one is 0.5333 and so on. That means 3 repeating indefinitely. That means this is can write that 0 0 point, sorry, 0.53 bar. Okay, and 9 upon 20 we get 0.45. 17 upon 24 we get 0.708333 and so on, and 11 upon 21 0.5225823095882309 and so on. That means there are three digits are repeating indefinitely. Okay, so now the third column is form. Form means, it means this type of decimal is terminating and non-terminating. So you know that obviously 2.5 is terminating because after decimal there are 5 finite digit, and this is terminates. It means this is terminating decimal. 3.4 after decimal only one digit. Okay, and remainder comes 0. So this is also known as terminating decimal. But 0.5333 and so on, that means 3 repeats indefinitely and never terminate. Never, the remainder never comes 0. So this type of rational number is called non-terminating recurring. Now non-terminating recurring means NTR. Non and terminating T and take recurring R. So NTR means non-terminating recurring, and terminating T for terminating, and NTR for non-terminating recurring. Now look at this 0.45. The 0.45 after decimal there are two digits, that is a finite. This terminates, so we can write terminating. This will also never terminate, so we write NTR, and this also NTR. That is a form. But today my question is that without actual division, because without actual division, how can you say that this fraction is in terminating or non-terminating recurring? Okay, so for that, now the next column is prime factors of denominator. Prime factor of denominator means, it means suppose the first fraction is 5 upon 2. Now 5 upon 2 has a denominator. So the prime factor of 2 is 2. You know that the prime factors 2. So the prime factor of 2 is 2, and the prime factor of 5 is 5, and in this fraction denominator is 15. So the prime factor of 15 is 3 into 5, and the prime factor of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5, and the prime factor of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and the prime factor of 21 is 3 into 7. That is the prime factor of denominators, not numerators. Okay, so this is the route to find without actual calculation if a rational number is terminating or non-terminating. It means, what is the rule? The rule is that if any fraction the prime factor of denominator is in the form of 2 or 5 or both 2 and 5, then we can say that this type of rational number is terminating. Otherwise, this is non-terminating. It means if the prime factor of denominator is in the form of 2 or 5 and both, then this is called terminating. And if the prime factor of denominator other than 2 and 5, it means, look at this, the third example. The third example is 8 upon 15. So the prime factor of 15 is 3 into 5. So here is 5 is given, but other than 2 and 5, this is 3. So if in this form, we can say that if this type of fraction is non-terminating recurring decimal. It is clear? Without actual division. Suppose there is a 9 upon 20. So the 9 upon 20, the prime factor of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. So this is a form of, the prime factor is in the form of 2 and 5 both. And this one 24, the prime factor of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this prime factor of 24 is other than 2 and 5, because 2 is here, but 3 the value other than 2 and 5. So this will be non-terminating recurring decimal. It is clear? How can you say that? Yeah, how can you identify without actual calculating the rational number is terminating and non-terminating? Clear? Thank you very much.